Welcome everybody, my name is Jim and I got this drone in the mail today from Amazon. Let's go ahead and open it up. Everything is nice and sealed, hasn't been opened yet. Sometimes you get a box that comes in transit that's been opened and retaped. Let's take a look, see what we got here. Okay, we have the F-100 Ghost from FORCE1. What a badass drone, man. I'm telling you, these things fly really good. The seals on the side are broke, and it's supposed to be sealed, but it is not. That's not good. I don't like that when that happens because anything can happen. Let's just pop this open and see what everything looks like in here. Here's the instructions. Put those in the box because we don't need those. If you've flown drones enough, you don't need them. New guys, you might want to pop it open and take a gander at it. Now the styrofoam here has tape on both sides. One side here, this side here, it's supposed to be taped and sealed and it's not. I don't like that either. So, but here it is in its glory, the F-100 Ghost. Here's the camera, 1080p camera. Pretty nice camera, not too bad. They hold a charge pretty well. I kind of like these cameras. Yeah, it won't turn on, so it needs to be charged up. Otherwise, it looks pretty good. Brand new. Yeah, it's not going to come on. So I'm going to put it on the charger. I just happen to have one right here. We're going to put it on the charger, charge it up for a little bit, and go from there. There, see? Yeah. So it works. It comes on. All right, let's dive into this and see what we got here. Here's the plug for the charger. Guys, make sure you plug your batteries in these chargers the correct way. You might want to use the manual for that to make sure. Here we got two sets of props, still sealed. Landing gear, still sealed. Interchangeable covers, canopies, and the prop guards. I'm not going to use the prop guards. We'll put those back in the box. Got two batteries here. I think I'll leave one battery out because I'm going to need it here in a minute. And here she is, the F-100 Ghost. Man, I'm telling you, I have a couple of these and they fly just excellent. So let's put this back in here because we don't need it just now. Set this down. Get the transmitter out. Here's a plug for the camera, USB plug for charging, toolkit for putting the props on and off, and the camera holder that goes underneath the drone. Let's just put this up out of the way. We'll get these props out, get them open, and put them on real quick. These props are labeled A and B, as the arms on the drone are labeled A and B, so it's really kind of hard to get it wrong. So I'll just spin these on hand tight. Actually, I think I'll get the wrench out. Spin these on hand tight. See, this is how the wrench is supposed to be used. I was just spin them on hand tight, and then once I get them, then I'll use this to tighten them up nice and snug. The wrenches will snug on there. It's pretty easy to do. Nothing difficult. Spin these on here. Snug them up just a bit. I know I'm going through this kind of fast, but trust me, it's just so simple. Now, I'm going to put the battery in here for now. I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to plug it in. I'm just going to put the battery in it and leave it set. I'm going to get the transmitter out of here. Dual antennas. The left toggle is kind of loose. That's your throttle. Let's get some batteries. Go in this transmitter and I'll show you how to bind the drone to the transmitter. It takes 4 AA batteries. Pop these in. And there you have it. Okay, now it's ready to bind. So now you got your, make sure your throttle is down all the way. Push and hold the red button and turn the transmitter on, and you'll notice the green light flashes. Now pick up the drone and plug the battery in. Make sure you get the battery plugged in the correct way. It's kind of user friendly. You'll notice the lights are flashing and the light went solid on the transmitter. Toggle it up and down a little bit and push the red button, and there you go. It is bound. Play a little up and down motion here just to show you that it is bound and it does work. And that, my friends, is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you liked it.